Welcome to Trinity Hall Ice Hockey. Our team was established 2 years ago with just 8 players and a goalie. During that year, the team played only 5 games, but it was obvious that this group of young ladies had incredible talent and a high level of compete. The 2019-2020 season saw the addition of 5 players and a second goalie, as well as a formal practice schedule and a complete lineup of games and tournaments. With a full complement of players, Trinity Hall Ice Hockey rose to the number 2 spot in the New Jersey State rankings, completing the season with a 9-1 record, with our only loss coming to the number 1 ranked state champions. In addition to our successes as a team, many of our players were recognized throughout the season. We had a Player of the Week, a New Jersey Devils Player of the Month, and 4 players selected for the All Star game. These individual accolades would not have been possible without the support of great teammates. Trinity Hall Ice Hockey is a team first program where we encourage creativity and players stepping outside of their comfort zone. So I look forward to seeing you either on the ice or in the stands cheering on our Trinity Hall Monarchs.